Premium jersey, 83. Premium football, 83. Tim, 1. Stripper, 1. Daryl, 1. Anthony, 1. Ryan, 1. Maris, 1. Corey, 1. Mike Moffitt with 1. All right, let me check something real quick. Da, 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 da. All right, guys, good luck 5 times. Randomize it up and pay some column B next to 8 divisions. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Mike Moffitt, you're on top. Anthony F., you're on the bottom there. Bada bing, bada boom. Mike, AFC North. Tim, NFC North. Stripper, AFC South. Daryl, NFC South. Maris, AFC East. Corey, NFC East. Ryan, AFC West. Anthony, NFC West. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if they cut him or didn't sign him back, or I don't know if there's really a difference, right? Sometimes, you know. All right, guys. Looks good on my end. Looks good on my end. Usually on my end, because I blow screens up, I can usually tell if it's blurry. I usually stop. All right, guys. Good luck to you. Nice, 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 nice. Nice Oregon jersey. PSA DNA. Hair or something on there. Oh, it's a tag. AE31656. NFC West, DeForest Buckner. Forrest Buckner. Pac-12. Win the day. Nike jersey. Once a duck, always a duck. Number 44, XL jersey. Oregon. Very cool jersey. DeForest Buckner. Very cool. Going out to the NFC West. He plays for the Niners. I think he was like the first round pick. DeForest Buckner. For the Niners. Niner. NFC West. Anthony F. Anthony F. There you go, man. Nice DeForest Buckner. Oregon jersey. Very cool. Alright, guys. Column C 5 times. Ram.org. Whoever's on top's getting that free spot. Autograph mini helmet giveaway. Away. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Da-da-da-da. And Corey Charlwood. There you go, man. And that's premium 83. Primo 83. Very cool. Alright, guys. Appreciate everyone getting. Again, that's the Nike premium jersey. $7 a spot. 28 a division. Next up, we have an autographed hockey puck, and that break is number 2170. So stay tuned for that, guys. All right, thanks again. Have a great night. We go live every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.